Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you a simple full stack to do application. This is a perfect example project for learning full stack development. Let me explain what we're working with here. This application is built with React for the front end and Nest.js for the backend. The database is MongoDB, which stores our tasks. Everything runs on Docker using Docker Compose. You can see how to clone and use this application. We have three separated containers, one for React, one for Nest.js, and one for MongoDB. This setup makes it easy to deploy and manage the entire application. So actually, the great things about this project is that it's open source and highly extensible. You can easily modify and extend it based on your needs. For example, in the future, you can add the user authentication so each user can see only their own tasks. You could also implement features like assigning tasks to other user, creating teams, or adding priorities and categories. You can use this command to entire the Mongo container. The database name is MyDB and it uses a collection called Todo to store our tasks. And you can see documents of this collection. These are some example for tasks, and you can see containers of this Docker like this command, React container, Node container, and Mongo container. Right now the application has some core feature. Let me show you what it can do. First, you can add new tasks. When you click the add task button, a modal opens where you can enter a person's name, the task description, and set the status. When you save it, so you can see it in the lower row, page 2, 12 rows. Jack called me. So anyway, all tasks are displayed in a table format. The table shows important information like who the task is assigned to, what the task is, its status, and time of showing, when the task was created, and when it was complete. The table is paginated, showing 10 records per page. You can native through page if you have more than 10 tasks. There's a live filter feature that works in real time. You can filter tasks by the person's name or by status showing only, complete tasks only, pending tasks, or all tasks. The filtering happens instantly as you type or select. Each task row has some interactive feature. You can change the status of a task by clicking on the status field. A green indicator means the task is complete, and a red indicator showing it's still pending. This makes it easy to see the status at a glance. You can also see when each task was created and when it was marked as complete. This helps track the timeline of your tasks. And finally, you can delete tasks using the delete button with a trash icon. So that's basically what this application does. It's clean, simple to do app. That's how to build a full stack application with modern technologies. The code is open source, so you can clone it, modify it, and add your own features. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments below.